Hey Kumamai, welcome to Hawaii Rainforest Waterfall Adventures, the height of your Hawaii visit, the real Hawaii you came to see.
Hi, we just got engaged. This is our honeymoon, and we came to the beautiful rainforest and waterfall, and it is absolutely beautiful. Yes. It's amazing.
not like what you see anywhere else.
No.
Hey, the
guide is great.
They're pretty good.
It's wonderful. Yep, both
Very
of them.
knowledgeable.
It's an easy 20 to 30 minute hike through lush tropical rainforest of Hawaii. Bottled water and trail snacks are included. An unforgettable experience. Mahalo for joining us. Aloha.